Welcome to Rockwell Machinery. This is 10 to 15 automatic block molding machine. It can produce 10 bricks at a time. 8 to 15 cement brick making machine. It can produce 8 bricks at a time. Now let's come to the back. This is 4-26C cement brick making machine. It can produce 4 bricks at a time. Of course, all the brick making machine can produce different bricks by replacing the different molds. This is 3 to 15. This is the 3 to 15 cement brick making machine, which can produce small cushion bricks or 4 bread bricks at a time. According to the different sizes of bricks, the number of bricks produced at a time is different. This is the 4 to 25 cement brick making machine, which can produce 12 small paving bricks at a time. All kinds of models of the 4-30A, 4-30B brick machine, and all kinds of supporting trolleys, brick molds, conveyor, mixer, etc. We have a large number of stocks, all kinds of different models and specifications of fully automatic brick making machine, and all kinds of different models and specifications of fully automatic brick making machine. We have a large stock of different types and specifications of automatic brick making machine, 280 static pressure machine, and of course 4 to 40 hook type cement brick making machine. We are a professional manufacturer of brick making machine. If you are interested, click below, get a quote. This is a 10 to 15 automatic hydraulic block making machine. Using crushed stone powder, sand, stone, cement, can be added in large quantities of fly ash, slag, gang, perlite and other industrial waste through the feed bin into the fabric machine. For uniform fabric, 15 to 20 seconds to produce a mold. 10 pieces of 400 by 200 by 200 millimeters hollow bricks. Just need to replace different molds can produce different bricks. We are manufacturers. Interested in clicking on the bottom to get a quote. This is a 3 to 15 cement brick making machine, sand, cement, fly ash and other industrial waste through the conveyor into the feed bin. The feed bin will be the raw material into the primary fabric machine for uniform fabric. This machine mold is a small cushion. If you need different sizes of bricks, you just need to replace the different molds can be produced in different bricks. This machine is a 400 by 200 by 200 millimeters small bread brick. We are the manufacturer. If you are interested, click below to get a quote. This is a 8 to 15 automatic hydraulic block making machine using sand, cement, can be added in large quantities such as fly ash and other industrial waste through the feed bin into the fabric machine. For the first uniform fabric, if you need to produce colorful bricks, here for the second time to color the fabric, 15 to 20 seconds to produce a die 8 hollow bricks. Only need to replace different molds can produce different bricks. We are the manufacturer. Interested in clicking on the bottom to get a quote. This is a 4 to 25 cement brick making machine. The raw material will be conveyed to the feed bin. The feed bin will feed the raw material into the primary fabricator for even fabrication. The brick mold 225 by 112.5 by 60 millimeters. 12 bricks can be produced at a time. If you need a different size of bricks, just replace the molds. We are the manufacturer. Click below to get a quote. This is a 4 to 40 hook type brick making machine. It can produce 5 bricks at a time with the size of 400 by 115 by 200 millimeters bricks. Just need to change different molds to produce different size bricks. The raw material is sand, cement. You can also add fly ash and other industrial waste to make bricks. We are the manufacturer. Interested in clicking below to get a quote.